Miracle Shine, literally does what it says on the tin. All these small imperfections, see you later. It will get rid of those. And the great thing is, it contains Carnauba Wax that will keep it protected in the future. First up, give it a good old-fashioned shake. You don't actually need too much of this, just apply it onto your cloth. That's probably enough for the tank. I'm going to dab it onto those areas where I'm going to concentrate on. And as simple as, work it off. Get that paint back to its natural beauty. Right, I've got all that off, and I've got to say, not only is it looking amazing, I know the bike's protected. Well, there you have it. Literally 3 minutes of graft, and the bike is looking fantastic. And the bonus is, next time I'm out, I know it's protected.